Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of first year MBBS, let's do some practical work also. I am going to talk about the microscopic pictures of epithelium, the connective tissue, the muscular tissue, and the nervous tissue. We have read all these during our lecture classes, but what about the microscopic picture of all these organs and viscera and the tissues? So I will tell you about the slides. ये देखो, ये जो slide है, इसमें can you see this is the simple columnar epithelium and it is lining the gastrointestinal tract. You can see this projection, which is a villus-like structure. It has got a single layer of tall column-like cells. There are nuclei which are present just above the basal lamina. This is the basal lamina. This is the basal lamina, and this is a line of nuclei. So this is simple columnar epithelium. Whenever you will see the simple columnar epithelium, it will be seen just like this. There will be a single layer of there are oval nuclei which are present just above the basal lamina, and I have told you sunehri jumla mera yaad rakho. All the gastrointestinal tract is lined by simple columnar epithelium except the esophagus and the anal canal. और ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि esophagus और anal canal में क्यों नहीं होता simple epithelium, because रगड़ की कुव्वतें कार फरमा है. ठीक है ना. जब आप बोलस ऑफ फूड जो है उसको चबाने के बाद बक्कल कैविटी से इसोफेगस में लेके जाते हैं, तो वो इसोफेगस में एक पेरिस्टाल्टिक वेव के ज़रिए तेज़ी से रगड़ खाता हुआ नीचे की तरफ जाता है. तो चुनांचे कुदरत ने वहाँ पे स्ट्रेटिफाइड एपिथेलियम दिया है, लेकिन वो स्ट्रेटिफाइड एपिथेलियम ऐसा है कि वो गीला है. So nature has provided the stratified epithelium, that is stratified squamous epithelium is of two types. There is a moist type of epithelium and there is a dry type of epithelium. So we have got stratified squamous non-keratinized. We have got the stratified squamous keratinized, that is cornified. The alternative word is the cornified, cornification. We have discussed about the cornification during our study of the epidermis. So this is the simple columnar epithelium. Now can you see these are the tubules of the kidney? This is a transverse section of the kidney, and you can see these are the longitudinal sections of the tubules in the kidney, and these tubules are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. You can see a single line of small cube like मुरब्बा नुमा cells नज़र आ रहे हैं जिनके nuclei center में है. There are rounded nuclei in a cuboidal cell. The nucleus is present in the center of the cell, and this nucleus is present in the form of a round nucleus. So you can see so this is simple cuboidal epithelium, and I have told you that the simple cuboidal epithelium is found in it is the epithelium which is present in the follicles of the thyroid gland. This epithelium is found in the ovarian follicles, the germinal epithelium of the ovary, and also actually that is the covering epithelium of the ovary, and also it is present in the ducts of the salivary glands. And the simple cuboidal epithelium is present. It is in the form of the pigment layer of the retina, and also in the proximal distal convoluted tubules of the kidney. Now this is the stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. This is the slide of the esophagus, and you can see that towards the lumen there is a thick layer of. This is the layer of epithelium. This thick layer of epithelium, it consists of many layers. What is the stratified epithelium? Stratified epithelium consists of many layers of the cells. the basal layer consisting of the columnar cells, then there are several layers of polyhedral cells, and in the superficial layer there are squamous cells. And in the case of the keratinized epithelium, these squamous cells, they lose their nuclei, but in a non-keratinized epithelium you will find these spindle shaped fusiform cells which are nucleated, जिंदा cells होते हैं, कोई keratinization नहीं हुई। तो ये जो एपिथीलियम है इसे हम गीला मॉइस्ट टाइप ऑफ एपिथीलियम कहते हैं। और ये एपिथीलियम जो है इसोफेगस में पाया जाता है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लिप्स, द टंग, द बक्कल कैविटी, द इसोफेगस, and also present in the vagina and the anal canal, this type of an epithelium. This is another view of the same slide. You can see this is the basal side, and there are many layers of polyhedral cells, and in the superficial layer you can see this is a cell which is spindle shaped. It is a fusiform cell. There are two tapering ends, and the central thicker portion contains the nucleus. Now, can you see this is the slide of the skin, and this is the epidermis, and over the surface of the epidermis you can see a thick layer of epithelium starting from the basal side. If we go above, you can see this is the basal side, and this basal side has got, this is the basal layer, the stratum basale, stratum germinativum, which consists of the columnar cells. Then there are several layers of polyhedral cells. We have studied last time that there are the layers in the epidermis: stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and stratum corneum. This is the stratum corneum. You can see these, ये दागे से नज़र आ रहे हैं तुम्हें, ये जो हैं ये केराटिनाइजेशन है, ये वो लेयर्स हैं केराटीन की जो इलियाडीन के अंदर डिपॉजिट हो जाता है. It happens so that in the stratum granulosum there will be the formation of, there are keratohyalin granules which secrete a glycoprotein which is the iliadine, and in the iliadine there is deposition of this filamentous protein called the keratin. The cells become dead, they become, their nuclei become degenerated, pycnotic, and then the cells, they have lost their nuclei, and in the cytoplasm there is deposition of a protein called keratin. So this type of an epithelium is a dry type of epithelium, and it is found in the skin. It is found at the orifices of the natural orifices of the body, that is the opening of the mouth, the nasal cavity, the vagina, the urethra, and the anal canal. And this is the stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. Then this is the slide of the urinary bladder, and you can see the transitional epithelium. I have told you that the transitional epithelium has got two types of epithelia, when there is a distended state of bladder, and then there is a contracted state of bladder. And in the distended state of bladder, that is when the bladder is full, this type of an epithelium, it becomes flattened. There are 2 to 3 layers of the cells and the superficial umbrella like cells. In a contracted state of bladder, the superficial cells in this type of an epithelium, they are big, convex, umbrella like or dome like cells, and some of the cells, they are binucleated, and there are 5 to 6 layers of cells. But when the this urinary bladder, it becomes full and it becomes fully distended, the epithelium becomes flattened, the epithelium becomes 2 to 3 layers thick. तो ये गिरगट की तरह रंग बदलता रहता है. ये एपिथेलियम जो है इसलिए कभी 5-7 लेयर्स पर मुश्तमिल होता है, कभी ये 2 से 3 लेयर्स पर मुश्तमिल होता है. हर वक्त अपनी शक्ल सूरत बदलता है. ये देखें ज़रा, दिस इज़ द यूरेटर. So the transitional epithelium is present in the urinary tract. So nowadays we call it urothelium. Urothelium, we call it urothelium because it is found in the urinary tract. So you can see this is the slide of the star-shaped lumen, and this is the epithelium, which is transitional epithelium. You can see towards the superficial side there is a thick line. The epithelium is having a darkly stained cell membrane because of the presence of the osmotic barrier. So the urinary epithelium, called urothelium, transitional epithelium, so it is present starting from the pyramids of the kidney, that is the major and minor calyces, in the pelvis of the ureter, and in the ureter and the urinary bladder and some part of the urethra. We have got this type of an epithelium which is called the transitional epithelium. This is another view, this is another slide showing the ureter, and you can see a star-shaped lumen. This is an epithelium. You can see that this is the basal side and this is the superficial side. This is the lumen of the trachea, and this type of an epithelium is called the pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium. This is a very special type of epithelium. We call it pseudostratified because the pseudoism क्या होता है कवाकिब कुछ नज़र आते हैं, कुछ धोखा देते हैं, ये बाजीगर खुला, ये ऐसा लगता है जैसे स्ट्रेटिफाइड है, जबकि स्ट्रेटिफाइड नहीं होता। इसकी वजह मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ। लेट्स रिवाइज दी वजह क्या है इसकी, कि ऑल दी सेल्स आर अराइजिंग फ्रॉम द बेसल लैमिना। चलो ऐसे कर लेते हैं, आपको मैं बताऊँ, इन अ सिंपल एपिथेलियम all the cells are arising from the basal lamina and all of them are reaching the superficial surface. But in the case of the pseudostratified epithelium, all the cells are arising from the basal lamina, but some of the cells are not reaching the superficial surface. These are conical, these are small, ठिगने cells हैं, ये कदावर सेल्स के दरमियान में घुस बैठी है, दारंदाज सेल्स बीच में घुसे हुए हैं, और ये जो सेल्स हैं इनकी मौजूदगी इसके साथ वाले नेबरिंग सेल के न्यूक्लियस को ऊपर उठा देती है। तो चुनाचे जब हम माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे देखते हैं तो हमें मल्टीपल लेयर्स न्यूक्लियाई की नज़र आती हैं, हमें न्यूक्लियाई डिफरेंट कतारों में, डिफरेंट लेयर्स में नज़र आते हैं। हमें शक पड़ता है अंडर द लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे ये एक स्ट्रेटिफाइड एपिथेलियम है, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है स्ट्रेटिफाइड एपिथेलियम में न्यूक्लियाई की बहुत सारी लेयर्स नज़र आएंगी। अभी मैंने तुम्हें इसोफेगस की स्लाइड दिखाई जिसमें स्ट्रेटिफाइड स्केमस एपिथेलियम आपको नज़र आ रहा था। तो चुनाचे ये जो एपिथेलियम है इसमें भी ये देखो 1 2 3 लेवल्स पर न्यूक्लियाई नज़र आते हैं, लेकिन इसका ये जो स्ट्रिप लाइक जैसे रिबन होता है, जैसे ये एक अपना लेस लगी हुई है दुपट्टे के कॉर्नर पे, इस तरह की इसकी जो शक्ल सूरत है ये बताती है कि इसमें एक लेयर है सेल्स की और वो कलमनर सेल्स हैं। बट देयर आर कलमनर सेल्स, देयर आर बेसल सेल्स विच आर कोनिकल सेल्स, there are different types of cells present. We will study, when we will study the respiratory tract, I will tell you the details of this type of an epithelium, which is also known as the respiratory epithelium, because it is found in the respiratory tract. So starting from the nasal cavity, it is present in the nasopharynx, it is also present in the larynx and trachea and tracheobronchial tree, in the principal right and left bronchi up till the respiratory bronchioles. We have got the stratified, pseudo-stratified columnar ciliated, इसका पूरा नाम है pseudo-stratified columnar ciliated, because we have got, we will see a brush border over the superficial surface. गौर से देखो superficial surface की तरफ तुम्हें दो लाइनें नज़र आएंगी, एक लाइन, the lower line is indicating the superficial cell membrane, and then there is a brush border, and this brush border is because of the presence of the cilia. So we have got the cilia. Cilia are actually the modification of the apical cell membrane, and the apical cell membrane is modified. It gives rise to these finger-like or these hair-like processes which have got a very typical structure. When we cut a section, the cilia have got 9 double-edged microtubules at the periphery, arranged in a very orderly and very fashionable manner, and in the center there are 2 single microtubules, and this is known as an axoneme.